In this video, I will show you how I applied France visa for myself from UK while on skilled worker visa. I'm just sharing my journey, that how I applied. I'm not a solicitor, not a consultant. I'm just showing you how I have received this France visa applying myself. To apply France visa, the only website is france-visas.gouv.fr. This is the official government website. I'll put the link of this website in the description. You can also use Google to do that. Just go on Google, just write apply France visa from UK, and this link on the left side show up online application. When you will click on this link, link will take you to this. Over here, click start your visa application. Next step is to create an account. Click down over here, create an account, enter your details. So first of all, you need to enter your last name, first name, email address, email confirmation, password. The password must be 12 characters with different exceptional letters as well. And then you will select the language, which language you want, put the security code and click create an account. Before I go forward, let me show you the website first. So on the left side, the first tab is about general information. Over here, you have the option short stay visa, airport transit visa, long stay visa. Next tab is about tourism or private visit, young traveler, volunteering, professional purpose, studies, training, family purpose, your arrival in France. We will discuss this later on in this video. In this case, we wanted to apply for as a tourist, as a private visit. The plan is to stay there for a week and then come back. So I have logged into my account. Now it says my application. Because I don't have any application, nothing is showing. Create a new application in a new group of applications. This says it may be advisable to group together applications that are to be processed at the same time and which make concern members of the same family. 6 applications per group. So let's start with this first one. Create a new application in a new group. Click on this link. Next question is your nationality. So you will mention your nationality. Next question is your stay, place of your submission of your application, like where you submitting the application from. So we submitting from United Kingdom. So we'll mention United Kingdom. Visa type requested. Which visa do you want? So we want short stay less than 90 days. If you wanted to apply long stay, same application. Airport transit, same application. Main destination of stay. France is the main destination. So you have all these options. So you have to select whichever is the best for you. Next question is city of submission of application, where you will be submitting this application. You have 3 options. So you select London, Manchester or Edinburgh, whichever is best for you. Next question is your travel document. Issuing authority of the travel document. So which country you hold the passport. Next question is travel document number. You will enter that, date of issue, date of expiry, and then the travel document, ordinary passport, diplomatic passport or official passport. So this is a ordinary passport. The next option is your plans. In your plans, you have these options. Entry visa for beneficiary of the withdrawal agreement, family or private visit, familial or private establishment, official visit. So you will select family or private visit. When you will select this, you will have only these 4 options. Everyone get confused with this. You need to select family visit. I know the reason you must be expecting a tourism or holidays or something, but they don't have that option. So let's check this with ChatGPT. So I've done the same thing. It says yes, in your situation, this is correct. And I'll explain why. Left side family or private visit, right side family visit. This is correct combination for tourism, holiday. For these Pakistani passport holders living in the UK, you need to select this thing. This is how it says, and this is how you need to do it. If we go back, it says I'm planning to visit France with my partner for 3 days. So that's what the plan is. You need a visa. If I click next, this says you have entered this travel document. Do you confirm this? Once you have requested is validated, it will no longer be possible to modify this number. So make sure your passport number is correct. After that, it will take you to the second step. So we have to do 6 steps. This is the second step. Your information. So you need to select your information. Sex. So put that male. Marital status married. Then last name. Then after that, you have to mention first name, place of birth, nationality of birth. You have the other options on this side, which is also date of birth, country of birth, territory, and then national identity number, other nationalities. You have further questions about your personal information, which is your address, postcode, city, country of territory, telephone number, email address. If we go down, then you have to enter detail of your identity. Do you live in a country other than the country of your current nationality? Yes. Then you have to provide them residence permit number, obviously your BRP number, your whichever visa you are on, and then your family. So they're asking you, are you joining or traveling with French national family member? No. Do you join or travel with family member from EU country? So are you joining any family member from EU country? No. Who is UK national beneficiary of the withdrawal agreement? Your job. So you mention your job, whatever your job is, and then you click next. Next question is step 3. Have you been to Schengen in last 59 months? If yes, then you need to provide yes, and then you need to provide all the details from which date to which date. In this case, no. Next, step 4, your stay. Detail of your stay, where you will be staying. Plan of your departure. So the question is planned date of arrival, planned duration, number of days, so 3. Number of stays planned in France for the coming year. How many days you want, that's what. Number of entries per requested, 1 or multiple. Planned date of departure from Schengen area. Next question is, if you go down, your plan of staying. As a reminder, project is family or private visit, and the main purpose of your stay is a family visit. Other stay of your project, so you put private visit over here. Okay, other stay project, so family or private visit, so it's a private visit. Okay, and then click next. Step 5 is about your contact. So they wanted to ask where you will stay, who will pay for it. So the question is host person or organization. A person will be accommodating me. Company, organization or establishment will be accommodating me. If you're going through a company, or if there is someone who already staying there, you stay with them. Or my hotel or place of accommodation if different. So you will be staying at your hotel. So provide your hotel detail. For example, this is the hotel address, postcode, city, country. Next question is about telephone number, email address, and then the next question is about who will be funding. So whether you will be paying yourself or someone else. Means of substance. So accommodation will be prepaid. So for example, transport cost prepaid if you traveling via flights. Traveler checks, credit card, cash. So credit card and cash will be carried as well. So tick these boxes. Then person completing the form. The person who's completing the form. If you are a different person, then you put the details of that person and etc. And then click next. But this section is not mandatory because the person who's completing the form is not. Obviously, if you're submitting your form yourself, then you don't need to fill that. Or you can provide the details if you want. After that, just click next. Next step is 6 of 6, your supporting documents. So on the day of your appointment, please present yourself with your passport containing at least 2 consecutive blank pages, plus photocopy of the identity page of this document and of the last visa obtained. So if you had a last visa, you need to provide that as well. Original and photocopy of all the documents listed below, translated into French or English. Please note, if any of these documents are missing, this may lead to the non-issuance of the visa you have applied. The visa center reserves the right to ask further documentation and information. Further, it says prerequisites. A travel document issued less than 10 years ago, containing at least 2 blank pages, with a period of validity at least 3 months longer than the date on which you intend to travel to Schengen area. ID photograph. If you are not British national, proof of your legally resident in the UK, biometric residence permit, and a photocopy or printed copy of your current immigration status displaying your photo, as well as the printed copy of the share code. So these days we have the share code. You need to bring the printed copy along with the e-visa. Print the share code as well. Civil status, if applicable, proof of family relation with the host. If you staying with someone, or the person who is asking you to come over there, get their details. Purpose of travel. Proof of travel, a confirmed return ticket to France, plane, ferry, bus, etc. Socio-professional situation. Employee. Recent signed official letter from your employer or a payslip last 3 months. If you are self-employed, then recent letter from your accountant, banker, or solicitor specifying your professional independent activity or the ownership of a company in the UK, plus letter from the British financial authorities. Students, recent signed official letter from your school or university in the UK. Funds, last 3 months worth of bank statements. UK current account showing your full name and address and providing that you have enough funds for the whole duration of the trip, or traveler's checks presenting the same guarantees. If you are financially sponsored, by your spouse, partner, marriage certificate and bank statement of your spouse and partner. So for example, if husband wife are traveling, husband is the one who do all the work, wife is homemaker. In that case, you should have the marriage certificate as well, proof of marriage. Accommodation, proof of accommodation, where you will stay. Travel health insurance certificate covering all members state of the Schengen area. Minimum coverage of the medical costs at least €30. Then click continue. So the first applicant is already added. The option says this is the application number and short stay, name, confirm. I declare that all the information provided is correct and complete in best of my knowledge. You tick this box and click continue. If you want to add another applicant, your wife or your family members, just click add an application. You can also download this file in PDF. If I click this, so this is how the application will look like for the Schengen visa for France. And if we go down, you just check all the details are correct. Make sure if you're happy with all the details, then just save this application and then we will proceed further. But just now I'll add another applicant. So for this, again, it will take me to step number 1 to step number 6, and it will ask me all the questions again. So I'll fill them up quickly and then I'll show you how to pay. Now I have added the second applicant as well. So this is the second applicant. This is the first applicant. The next option is I declare that all the information is correct. Put this tick, click continue. Have you checked for each applicant? The data in the form is correct. Once is validated, it cannot be modified. Yes, loading in progress. Now the option is for the payment. The payment says that you need to pay £79, 23 pounds sterling for each applicant. Further, it says the application fee you must pay is 158 pound sterling. This amount is for informational purpose only and must be paid in currency specified by the consulate. Certain individual cases may give rise to specific fees. Additional fees may be also charged at the time of your appointment and your visitor center. The amount indicated in the local currency is subject to exchange rates, etc., etc. So before I go forward, I'll take a screenshot of this, and that's done. So now I'll click continue. Loading in progress, making appointment. You must go visa center to submit the application and supporting documents. You will find necessary information in the appointment page. These are the 2 appointment details. It says over here. By ticking this box, I certify. I made contact with my visa center. If it's a center where the appointment is required, an appointment date has been assigned to me. The day of your appointment, you will have to present yourself with all original of your supporting documents. If any of these documents are missing, this may lead to the non-issuance of the visa you have applied for. So this is how the application looks like. So I'll click submit to visa center. Your request is now closed. Access to your application form and receipt to print may take few minutes. You can download them at any time from my application. An email confirmation. The registration of your request has been sent to you. Please print documents required for your submission of your application. So I'll click OK. Further, it says the finalization step. On the day of your appointment, you must bring the following documents: original of the request form and original registration receipt, which they have just emailed me. Biometric, you must pay the relevant application fee and service charge. Your biometric data will be collected. Your service center is TLScontact of Edinburgh. I'll click complete over here. Next, you will go to Visa Biometric Center. You will get that done and you will get the visa. So this is how you will apply your France visa. It's very simple. It's not difficult. Anyone can do it. If you have come to my channel first time, don't forget to subscribe. I'm not a solicitor, not a consultant. I'm just guiding you what gov.uk says, what official website says. So this was the journey which I have shared with you. Hope this video helps you. If you have any question, put that in comment section and I'll get back to you.